There I was, just walking along. My head was in the clouds, lost and thinking, clippity-clop. My heels tapped on the ground. Was humming,
Bianka prišla a mali sme tému Stužková, takže ona prišla s konkrétnou predstavou, ukázala mi, ako by chcela približne vlásky mať. Sme to tomu prispôsobili, aby sa ona cítila v pohode. Tak účesy na Stužkovú vždycky prispôsobujeme danej klientke, aký je typ a čo by sa jej tak páčilo a po vzájomnej dohode vlastne spravíme, aby boli obidve strany spokojné.
So it seems wherever you go, out into the crowd, eyes will wander up and below as if I should feel proud. Grace me with your presence, my lord, your coat, top, hat and crown. Puffed up like a peacock, you are hot air, the same old sound. Get out my way, fellas. Get out my way, fellas. Get out my way, fellas. Don't you touch my hand, make way for a mighty man. I'm real fed up of all of you. Knowing this and knowing this and knowing this, boy. When you want you, boy. Silly prayer, boy. I just don't care. Knowing this and knowing this and knowing this.
Veľmi sa mi tu dnes páčilo. Odporúčam to každej čitateľke, nech sa prihlási a ďakujem celému týmu za tento krásny deň.